Vision Pulse RUN, conceived to combine the advantages of pulse welding at a faster travel speed for welding alloyed or low-alloyed steel and aluminium too. The fine-tuned and well-balanced combination between MIG pulse and Vision ULTRASPEED now enables to greatly increase welding pulse job completion by maintaining unchanged aesthetic and metallurgical characteristics. In Vision Pulse RUN, MIG pulse grants the perfect melting of the material without spatters and short circuits. Vision ULTRASPEED allows to reduce the heat input and to increase travel speed too. By Vision Pulse RUN, we get a well-dimensioned and defect-free bead in a far quicker time versus traditional pulse welding. Vision Pulse RUN. Look and believe. CEA. Welding together.